Have you ever heard the tragic story of Procne and Philomela? These sisters were inseparable, daughters of King Pandion of Athens. Their lives took a dark turn when Procne was married off to Tereus, king of Thrace. Tereus, however, grew infatuated with Philomela and, in a brutal act of betrayal, violated her and cut out her tongue to silence her. Unable to speak, Philomela's only means of communication was through her weaving. She wove a tapestry that depicted her tragic tale and sent it to Procne. Upon discovering the horrific truth, Procne was consumed with rage and devised a plan for revenge. During a festival, she rescued her sister, and in a moment of utter despair and fury, killed her own son, Itus, serving him as a meal to his unsuspecting father, Tereus. When Tereus discovered the ghastly act, he flew into a rage and pursued the sisters. The gods, pitying their plight, transformed Procne into a swallow and Philomela into a nightingale. Tereus was turned into a hoopoe, forever separated from the sisters. This grim tale serves as a haunting reminder of the lengths to which love and vengeance can drive us, and the power of resilience even in the darkest of times.